7 p.m., a thunderstorm was reported in Sioux Falls. The temperature was 72, and the The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Union County in southeastern South Dakota, southeastern Turner County in southeastern South Dakota, southwestern Lincoln County in southeastern South Dakota, east central Yankton County in southeastern South Dakota, Clay County in southeastern South Dakota, until 8 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Irene, or 18 miles west of Beersford, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Centerville and Waconda around 7:20 p.m. Union Grove State Park around 7:45 p.m. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in South Dakota: Lincoln, Turner, Union, Clay, and Yankton. At 7 p.m., a thunderstorm